Caleb, did you buy something at Target with your birthday money?
Yeah.
What'd you buy?
Two helicopters.
Huh?
And
You making Eli carry your stuff?
and
Is Eli carrying your stuff for you?
yeah, I'm doing this for him because it's kind of heavy.
It's kind of heavy? Okay. All right, good job. What? You spent all your birthday money?
Yeah.
All right. Say thanks, everybody.
Thanks, everybody.
Hey, right here. Look right here. Say thanks, everybody.
Thanks, everybody.
Hey, what is that?
Airplane set. And put this one right here.
How's it work?
Push your button, another button, and clear the takeoff. And it has that thing goes up and down. And this is what it does. And what it has is airplanes and a helicopter.
How many airplanes do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7? Well, what are you doing with the airplanes?
Oh, while you're walking, this is not how it really goes, because they need to have space. Yeah, that's not how it goes. We're closing for the night. We're closing. Okay, this one goes on the snow. It's for my birthday money. Okay.
You say thank you.
Thank you.
Say I gotta go fly airplanes now.
I have to go fly airplanes now.
Talk to you later.
Talk to you later. With a big giant apple.